2017 Honda Civic Type R K20C1 crate motor. Honda pulled the covers off its K20C1 crate engine at SEMA today, greatly reducing the hassle for enterprising racers wishing to bolt 306 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque into their track day weapons of choice. Details on how to apply for the right to purchase one of these powerplants can be found at Honda's Racing Line site. A purchase price of $6,519.87, plus shipping, sounds downright reasonable for a factory-fresh, ready-to-run engine with this kind of reliability and power. Remember, this is the engine that powers the Civic Type R, which is capable of lapping the legendary Nürburgring in just 7 minutes and 43.8 seconds. But before you start dreaming up that perfect engine swap scenario, know that Honda won't sell a crate engine to just anyone.